Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert video into your PowerPoint presentations. So this is our presentation that we had started off in the beginner's guide, countries, and we had started with a slide about France. Now I'd like to insert another slide which will contain video about France. So let's go ahead and enter a new slide first of all. From the Home tab, select New Slide. Now, there are two ways I can insert video. The first one is go to the Insert Video icon that's here and click on it. So it opens up the window so I can choose where to insert video from my PC, from this desktop. So I could browse my videos, choose a video, select it, then click on insert and it would insert my video. In some versions of Microsoft PowerPoint, by clicking on this icon, you would get three options. The first option would be what we just saw, selecting a video from your device. The second option, very important, would be to do a YouTube search. But this version of PowerPoint does not give me those options. I would not like to insert a video from this device, but from YouTube. So let's see how I can do that. From the Insert tab, I can go down here to the Media group and click on Video. I would like to insert an online video, not a video on my PC, an online video. So let's choose that. Now it asks me to enter the URL for the online video. I have already found a YouTube video and I have copied the URL. So I'm just going to paste it here. With Control and V, I pasted the URL and insert. It is contacting the server for this information. This may take a few seconds and we'll get back when it's ready. Okay, so this is my video, The History of France Animated. Now, as you can see, the video is selected and the handles have appeared. So I can resize it. Okay, I think that's a right size. Now, let's click on play and see if it actually works.
France is located in Western Europe between Germany and the Iberian Peninsula. Before the turn of the first millennium, most of the region...
Okay, so my video works. Now, how would this appear to my students, for example, if I were to show them this presentation? Let's go to the slideshow and select Start from Beginning. Spacebar to go to the next slide.
France is located in Western Europe between Germany and the Iberian Peninsula. Before the turn of the first millennium, most of the region was inhabited by both.
So you see that on the presentation slide, I can pause the video, play it again. I have a volume control here. Now, to exit the slideshow, hit Escape on your keyboard. I would like to make a few more adjustments to this video. By selecting it, you see that two tabs popped up, the video format and the playback. Let's take a look at the video format. So here is the video format ribbon. I can, from the adjust group, make some corrections to the brightness and contrast of my video. I could recolor the video. I could use a frame. Here I have all sorts of different frames, so you could choose from any of those. I have the video shape, a video border, video effects, so I could even do a 3D rotation of the video. Some very fun options in here to choose from. Now, the Playback tab is more important. Right here in the video options, it says Start in click sequence, which means that the video in the slideshow will play automatically when it is clicked. What other options do I have? Automatically or when clicked on? I would like it to begin automatically when I get to that slide. So let's select that. Let's go back to slide 1, our slideshow, and from the beginning. Next slide, next slide.
France is located in Western Europe between Germany and the Iberian Peninsula. Before the turn of the first...
And you saw that my video began automatically as soon as I went to that slide. I didn't need to hit a key on the keyboard or click on it. So those were some fun video options that you have and can use in your presentations. Apart from images and text, you can also insert videos. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.